Anytime you open a folder on your Windows computer, you're using Windows Explorer. And if you want to maximize it and navigate the Windows directory, here's what you can try to do. So first, open up File Explorer, click on this PC, find your hard drive, select the hard drive with Windows installed with the logo on the drive icon, that is typically the C drive, but you can also look in other drives and devices as well. Then, access your user folders. That includes your documents, pictures, downloads, and more. Next, you can browse by it by opening File Explorer. Double-click a drive or the folder you want to open. Click the back arrow to go back to your previous location or forward to another location. But you can also take the arrow up to take you to the parent directory for your current location. You'd also click the address bar to view the current path. Moreover, you can right-click a folder for more options and also enable hidden files from the View tab. Now lastly, you can also search by it. Do that by clicking the Start menu, type the name of the file or folder you're searching for, right-click on it, then select Open File Location. Now in here, you will now see the file you want to view. So that's how to navigate the Windows directory in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.